Coagulate is a verb that refers to the process of a liquid, especially blood, changing to a semi-solid or solid state. It is most commonly used in medical and scientific contexts, but can be applied metaphorically as well. Meaning and usage. 1. Literal meaning. In its literal sense, coagulate describes the thickening or clumping of a fluid. For example, when blood coagulates, it forms clots that help prevent excessive bleeding. Example, after the injury, the blood began to coagulate, forming a protective clot. 2. Metaphorical meaning. In a broader, more figurative sense, coagulate can be used to describe things that solidify or come together into a more rigid or structured form. Example, the ideas in the meeting began to coagulate into a concrete plan. Etymology. Coagulate comes from the Latin word coagulare, which means to cause to curdle. This reflects its earliest use in describing the curdling of milk and other fluids. Related words. Coagulation. Noun. The process by which something coagulates. Example, the doctor explained the importance of coagulation in the healing process. Coagulant. Noun. A substance that causes coagulation. Example, the chemical acted as a coagulant to solidify the liquid. Synonyms: solidify, thicken, clot, congeal. Antonyms: liquefy, dissolve, melt. Coagulate is commonly associated with biology, chemistry, and medicine, but can be used creatively in literature and everyday speech to describe things that harden or take shape.